Hello, I am back with another video. I got to do this in the last few months क्योंकि birthday है तो excitement की वजह से see I'm wearing purple today because it's my favorite color. I wanted to show you, so purple it is. Okay, so before starting the video, if you are seeing me for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel to see more videos and check out the videos I have already made. And let's continue. But November birthday month. Okay, so this was asked by a lot of people for me to make a video on बहुत टाइम पहले से, but I was avoiding it because ये बहुत काम की चीज़ विंटर सीज़न में मेरे आती है. समर में उतना कुछ है नहीं दिखाने को, इसीलिए आई वॉज वेटिंग फॉर विंटर्स टू शो यू व्हाट्स इन माई बैग. What is in my bag? Even I don't know what's in my bag, but I'll show you. So this bag, the bag is from a brand called 2AM. So this was a gift by Mrigera on Mother's Day to me. Now let's start by opening it and seeing what's in my bag. Okay, the first thing that I can see is, because I have really long hair, I need this. Hair is not behaving these days, so hairbrush very important. I don't carry the small one क्योंकि छोटे वाले मेरे बाल में टूट जाते हैं, तो या. Then I can see, very important to carry because कब मन कर जाए क्या लिखने का क्या पता. So because it's the diary, I have a pen also, very fancy pen from our little store. ओके, आई हैव टू कीप इट डाउन. थोड़ा भारी है. मम्मी के बैग से ज़्यादा भारी नहीं है. माई मदर कैरीज अ बैग विच वेज अराउंड, उसको ना एयरपोर्ट पे लगेज में देना पड़े, इतना भारी है वो. बट माइन इज़ कंपैरेटिवली ओके. बट आई डोंट कैरी इतना सामान एवरी डे, बट हाँ इतना तो चलता है जब कहीं जाना हो बाहर. नॉट ऐसे कि ऐसे घूमने गए तो टांग के चले गए, नहीं, काम से निकलो तो इतना कुछ जाता है. ओके, सो आई हैव a packet of wet wipes in case I need to take the makeup off if I am out, or just in case want to wipe my face. So very important thing these days, definitely a sanitizer, carry one. And also with the sanitizer I carry some baby wipes क्योंकि मेरे चेहरे पे बाहर जाके कुछ चीज़ें रिएक्ट करती हैं, तो यूजुअली आई डोंट यूज़ द वेट वाइप. आई ट्राई एंड यूज़ द दिस वन विथ माई सेलर वाटर. आई हैड द स्मॉल बॉटल, ख़त्म, सॉरी, तो इसलिए वेट वाइप इसमें मिलेगा. नाउ आई हैव अ स्क्रंची क्योंकि अगर मेरा क्लचर टूट गया, व्हाट विल आई डू? I'll tie my hair with a scrunchie, so scrunchie. Okay, next thing that I have, keys. सैनिटाइज़र है, तो मास्क भी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है, होना चाहिए. एवरीबडी कैरी मास्क्स. ओके, ऑल्सो यू कैन नेवर हैव इनफ मास्क्स. आई कैरी अ लॉट ऑफ मास्क्स इन केस कोई टूट गया तो व्हाट विल आई डू. ईयरफोन्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अनदर थिंग आई कांट गो आउट विदाउट. Mirror, my mirror says you glow girl, thank you. Okay, तो ये सेक्शन तो ख़त्म, बट I'll show you something very weird that is in my bag. Since it's winters, you'll always find a sweater in my bag, like a पतला सा pullover kind of a thing you'll always find in my bag. पूरे विंटर में इवन इफ आई एम वेयरिंग 2 जैकेट्स, आई स्टिल कैरी अ स्वेटर बिकॉज पता नहीं कब ज़रूरत पड़ जाए. यू नेवर नो. मुझे ठंडा ज़्यादा लगता है, दैट्स अ फैक्ट. नॉर्मल इंसान को अगर टेम्परेचर 7 डिग्री है और नॉर्मल इंसान को वो 7 ही लगेगा, मुझे वो 4 लगेगा. मुझे बहुत ठंडा लगता है, आई डोंट नो व्हाई. नाउ आई कम टू द मेन सेक्शन. ओके, नाउ दिस इज़ एम्बैरेसिंग टू शो, बट वेट, did I take this scrunchie out? Yeah, one scrunchie. I have a sleeping mask in my bag because, as I said, I can sleep anywhere, anytime. I'm in my car, I can just go off to sleep like that. I'm at the airport, plane, train, देर इज़ नो प्लेस इन द वर्ल्ड जहाँ पे कोई मुझे सोने से रोक सकता है. अगर मेरे को सोना है मैं बैठ बैठे सो जाऊँगी. एंड आई यूज टू कैरी दिस टू कॉलेज ऑल्सो, just in case. Also, where is more scrunchies. Okay, next thing, definitely very important, wallet. Very important. I have a few bills here and there, not important. Then I have a can of Dio. दिस आई रिसेंटली पुट बिकॉज उसको मैंने ख़रीदा था अभी. इसका कैप गायब हो गया है, वो इसलिए था बिकॉज आई लव द ये अभी ख़रीदा था इसलिए इसमें. और एल्स आई कैरी अ परफ्यूम विथ मी ऑल द टाइम बिकॉज आई कांट लिव विदाउट फ्रेग्रेंस. मेरे को हमेशा कुछ कुछ चाहिए. एंड एज आई सेड in the previous one, the random facts that I shot from the men's section, you can read it. It says Mystic Man. I love men perfume. Okay, the next, more scrunchies. A girl can never have enough scrunchies. Fact. Okay, clutcher, important because I mostly tie my hair in a clutcher. So yeah, a clutcher is important. And one more very random wire wala scrunchie. And the last thing that I kept last के लिए is the makeup bag that I carry. Very neon bag. So इसको अलग से खोल के दिखाना पड़ेगा इसमें क्या है, इसलिए. So इसमें है definitely loose powder to carry. This is not the thing that I carry when I go shopping, but हाँ ये मेरे बैग में रहता है. I have a nail filer because I have big nails. They break off any time, so I need a filer. I have वही सब powder, blush, highlighter. Okay, I have a pair of hoops because earring अगर गिर गई तो you need it. I have a pair of clips. I think I have two. एक ही मिल रही है. Yeah, see, I told you I have two clips. I always keep clips with me. Sponge, brushes and some lipsticks and kajal, and the most important, a lip balm. So whatever these are, I'll link them down below for you to keep an emergency makeup kit if you need it. Let me just keep it back. So yeah, these are the things I have in my bag. This was much requested क्योंकि I do carry a big giant bag. अभी ये recently change किया. इसके पहले I had ऐसा panelled black bag. उसका वो टूट गया. If anybody is looking to gift me something on my birthday, I would appreciate if you give me a bag. Okay, if I can exchange my bag with anybody, I would probably exchange it with my mother. I want to see what is in her bag. I once found a rotten apple in her bag. मम्मी के पर्स में सड़ा हुआ सेब था. If I can exchange my bag with a celebrity, it would probably be Deepika Padukone because I see her carry these amazing big bags. I really love her bags, yeah. I would love to exchange one with her. 3 things in my bag that I cannot live without. Okay. Wallet, important because my card, cash, everything is in here. Aadhaar and everything. So अरे एक मिनट, आधार है कि नहीं है? So definitely have to be the wallet. I couldn't show you the phone in my bag because I'm recording on the phone. My phone is always in my bag because if I carry my phone in my hand outside, there are pretty high chances I'm gonna leave it somewhere. I can leave my phone anywhere, so I carry my phone in my bag. So phone is another thing that is very important. उसके अलावा what is in my bag that I can't live without? Right now definitely can't live without the mask for now. And if in general, if you are asking what is one thing I can't live without, I cannot live without my perfume. So yeah, these are the three things I can't live without: my wallet, my perfume, and what did I say the second thing was? I keep forgetting. My phone, definitely. And if you don't count phone as something in the bag, then I don't have it right now here because it's broken, it's gone बनने के लिए. My second pair of glasses, because I keep breaking my glasses, so I keep an extra one. My favorite brand of bags, this is 2AM. This was gifted, so I used this one. I really like this one. So if you ask me a brand, I really like Lavi. Lavi ke bags are really nice, so I think I'll say Lavi. I really like Lavi, yeah. The most expensive bag that I have is probably a bag by I don't remember if it was Lavi or Caprice, but it was a baby pink bag that my mother gifted me on my birthday. So yeah, I think that was the most expensive one. I am very practical when it comes to bag चेन होनी चाहिए. चेंज कहाँ रखेंगे? कंपार्टमेंट बीच में होना चाहिए. आई डोंट लाइक दोज फैंसी बैग्स, जैसे वो डब्बा वाला एंड स्टफ. आई डोंट लाइक बॉक्स बैग्स एंड स्टफ. आई एम वेरी प्रैक्टिकल विथ माई बैग्स. ओके, सो या, if I can carry 3 people in my bag, okay. Brigya Rai, because if she is not with me, who will edit my videos? What will I do? Okay, so definitely her. And who's gonna give me food? She. I would carry Muski, who would entertain me. So yeah, Muski. And by the way, Muski's real name is Ankisha. If you get ever confused with that, her real name is Ankisha. And definitely Arjun. Why am I forgetting Arjun? Brigya Rai, Ankisha Rai, and Arjun Rai Singh. All 3 of them in my bag. I am done. I would live in the Himalayas with the 3 of them and not need anybody else. So yeah. Which bag I want to own someday? I would definitely love to have a Gucci someday. That's some height of ambition that I have कि एक दिन खुद के लिए Gucci खरीदना है. But again, the same thing is practicality with bags. Okay, let me just have some thoda. The cup is back. Let's name this cup also something. Okay, so with that we come to the end of the video. I hope it was worth the hype, क्योंकि बहुत समय से I was planning to do this but हो नहीं पा रहा था for some reason or the other. नहीं हो पा रहा था, but this time I have done it. So yep, now I think you know what's in my bag, and my bag is pretty big. The big bag, I carry the big bag. I do have small sling bags, but that's only for अगर थोड़ी दूर बस ऐसे कोई सामान लेना है तो I take a sling bag, उसमें वॉलेट डाल के. पर मेरा sling bag भी इतना बड़ा होना चाहिए उसमें मेरा वॉलेट आ सके. This wallet I showed you was gifted to me by my sister. My didi gifted me this wallet, and that's the only wallet I use. I am pretty वैसा थोड़ा वॉलेट के साथ कि I don't change my wallets much जब तक कि उसका अस्थि पंजर अलग ना हो जाए. उसे मत बदलो, जैसा है वैसे ही छोड़ दो. बिकॉज आई टेंड टू फॉरगेट थिंग्स. अगर मैंने कार्ड कहीं रखा है और दूसरा वॉलेट बन गया तो आई डोंट नो वेयर माई कार्ड इज़. सो या, so with that we come to the end of the video. If you're seeing me for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel to see more videos. Do check out the other videos and press the bell icon to get more notifications when I upload a video. I'll see you guys next time. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्रेस द लाइक बटन. अगर बहुत अच्छा लगा तो शेयर इट विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली, एवरीबडी यू नो. कमेंट डाउन बिलो टू लेट मी नो Comment down below to let me know what are the 3 things you cannot live without in your bag, and how did you like the video. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, signing off.